important. Same chapter, 25% you will find in 11th. Chapter number 4, pressure, heading write down. Pressure in fluids and atmospheric pressure. How many of you have gone to hill station?
Sir, me.
Me means Abhik.
Yes, sir.
Acha, from there you are coming, Abhik, I think.
Sir, I had gone outside to buy some stuff because some guests are coming today.
So what rasgulla you bought today? What you bought? Papada, jalebi, rasgulla, samosa,
No, sir, Doklas.
doklas. Okay. Bhavya, your favorite dokla see?
No, no.
सर
my
भव्य
favorite
को
is
मत
not
बोलो, घर पे पहुंच जाएगा वो.
Acha.
हाँ सर, आ जाएगा फिर क्या बचेगा.
Okay. So pressure in fluid means in liquid or gas. I said we are talking about hill station. Have you been? Yes, you told yes, we have been. Nimay, which hill station you went recently? I think you went to Ladakh, na? You went to Ladakh?
Yeah, sir, at been to Ladakh.
The pressure was low or high there?
Sir, high.
No, pressure is low. When you move up at high altitude, this is suppose Earth, okay? It is surrounded by envelope of air. When I move up, that envelope becomes lesser, no? If I'm here, then this much envelope is there. But if I go up from Earth here, then only upper part is forming envelope. So as you move up, atmospheric pressure will decrease. That's why sometimes few people they start oozing blood through nose and ear because of difference in pressure. Our body pressure is generally 2, which is balanced by atmospheric pressure of 1. But this pressure reduces, then body pressure becomes larger. The blood flows from high pressure to low. Whenever there is flow, then what we should apply?
It is an
Pardon? If there is motion, what we apply?
force.
हाँ, तो प्रेशर है मतलब क्या है? फोर्स है क्या नहीं? ये force, this is surface, this is force acting. Is it perpendicular to the surface?
No.
No, this is perpendicular to the surface.
Yes.
This is perpendicular to the surface.
Yes.
This type of force is given some special name. This is given some special name. ऊपर है इसलिए up. Perpendicular को बोलते हैं thrust. नाम क्या पड़ गया इसका? Up thrust. What is that force? Up thrust. What is that called? Up thrust. So what is thrust? Is it pressure? Is it mass? Is it temperature? What is thrust? Yes, say from your wisdom.
Pressure.
No. Can I clear this heading?
Sir, I didn't understand upthrust.
I'm explaining it. Have you written the heading? Everybody is
Sir, 1
writing it.
minute.
Yeah, please write. Everybody will understand. Don't worry. When I am here, there is no fear. But please write test on the same day. Because one test you are writing, one student writes on Monday, other will write on Tuesday. Full week the sir is busy in correcting the paper. Hello, can I clear? Come on. Can I clear it? Okay. This is one surface. This is one surface. This is one surface. Here I am applying force. Here I am applying force. Here I am applying force. Which force is acting perpendicular? A wala, B wala,
C.
or C wala? C wala is acting perpendicular. But from downward, if it is acting perpendicular, so it is acting upwards, na? This is upward, and this is downward. Hello.
Yes, sir.
but perpendicular. So all perpendicular forces, they are called as thrust. What is the name of that?
Thrust.
But if it is upward, then we call upthrust. Not followed.
Sir, is there any particular name for downward?
No, downward is only thrust.
Okay, sir.
हेलो आप लोग, अरे मैंने ये इसलिए फोन किया था कि आप लोग करेंसी कर सकते हैं क्या? तो किसको बोलना पड़ेगा उसके लिए? अच्छा, तो उसके लिए कुछ साइन भी करना है? आप अपना स्नेक फाइट बोलना है। अच्छा ठीक है, दूसरे में करा दो ना। ठीक है, नहीं एचयूएफ में करो। हाँ, होता है। तब मैं फोन करूँ? ठीक है, करता हूँ मैं कल। नहीं खाली कर। हाँ, ठीक है। Yeah, sorry. So these are all forces. But this is what? Particular force. Which cooler?
Particular force.
Particular. Any name for this particular?
Upthrust.
नीचे वाला upthrust. Thrust, खाली thrust. कौन सा ये? Thrust. This is thrust. Don't say crush. This thrust. But what about this one? What about
Upthrust.
this? Upthrust. Upthrust will come in liquids. Okay. When you make the solid, next chapter we are going to study upthrust. Now, what is force? Shaman, can you tell me what is force?
Sir, force is the physical cause that
Beautiful. Perfect. That will tend or change the state of
Yes, sir.
rest.
that change or tend to change the state or
Perfect,
state of
perfect,
rest or
perfect,
motion or
perfect.
shape or size of body.
Perfectly fine. What is its SI unit? Newton.
A force is Newton.
And CGS unit?
Dyne.
So what is this? Is it force?
Huh.
What is this? Is it force?
Yeah.
What is this? Is it force? But particular, na?
Yeah, particular force.
Called as thrust, na?
Thrust.
But force only, no?
Acting in a particular direction.
No, acting perpendicular to
Yeah.
the force. But force only, na?
Huh.
That means, can I say
Force.
its unit is also Newton in SI? Not followed.
Yeah, sir.
CGS is dyne, na? So thrust is not something new. It is new having direction, but hai wohi juna purana. But only kya ye particular direction. You all are students or not? You all are student or not? But one particular student gets full mark. Can I say he is scholar for me? वो मेरा thrust ऐसा है ना?
हाँ सर.
देखो सब लोग स्कूल में जाते हैं यूनिफॉर्म पहन के, लेकिन एक दिन बर्थडे है तो घर का भी ड्रेस पहन के जाएंगे तो चलेगा ना? So he is visible in the crowd or not?
Yeah.
So he is our birthday boy or not?
Yes.
So our thrust is birthday boy, perpendicular. Okay. Hello.
Yeah, sir.
So can you tell me thrust is what? Mass or acceleration or force? Thrust is what? Force. Which force? Acting perpendicular.
Particular force.
But acting perpendicular.
Perpendicularly.
Perpendicular is also called normal. What is the name of perpendicular?
Normal.
Normal. Not abnormal, normal. So thrust, if they say define thrust, निमय को प्रेशर है लगता है निमय? निमय? हेलो निमय? निमय? Thrust. So if they say define thrust, I will say thrust is the force acting normally. Normally means perpendicular on the surface. Anybody who is having doubt regarding meaning of thrust?
Yes,
What is
sir.
thrust?
This is the force that acting
Acting
normally.
normally
on
on the
the
surface.
surface. Write down definition.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Thrust is force acting normally on the surface. Beautiful chapter we are doing this, and next chapter is very beautiful. This is actually in higher standard called as fluid mechanics. Whenever force comes, it becomes mechanic, and fluid because it is moving on its own, and then also you are applying force. So thrust is the force acting normally on the surface. Suppose we stand on the surface. What we give to the surface? Something we give to the surface?
Yeah, force.
We exert
Thrust.
force, na?
Thrust.
Ah.
Thrust.
That thrust is our weight, no?
Yeah.
When you stand on the surface of earth, what you give to the earth?
Weight.
Action. क्यों धरती
And
पे बोझ
earth
है,
gives
एक्शन
reaction.
नहीं, मतलब धरती पे हम लोग बोझ है ऐसा. So we give action mg. This is nothing but thrust. So can I say
Yeah.
weight of body is nothing but thrust, which
Yes.
is given by the body on the surface?
Yeah.
Okay, so this they can ask you as filling the blanks. So next line, write down thrust exerted by a body on a surface. Thrust exerted by on the surface by body on the surface is weight of the body. So they can ask is dash of the body, is weight of the body. If thrust is force or weight of the body, it is in particular direction. So it is scalar or vector?
It is
Force
vector.
or vector? Force, it is a vector quantity. Yes, it is vector quantity. Please copy this much. Then we'll study about its unit. Thrust is the force acting normally on the surface. For example, weight of the body is nothing but thrust by the body on the surface. It is vector quantity. Once you are done, please give me signal.
Done, sir.
Okay. Unit of thrust. How many system of unit are there, Yashvi? How
Sir,
many?
three.
Which three?
CGS,
CGS, MKS, and FPS.
One SI you forgot.
हाँ sir, तो
SI
then
is also
four.
there.
Sir, but MKS is same, almost
No,
similar
not
to
always,
SI, no?
beta, not always similar, but not always.
Okay, sir.
There are many dogs on the street. All are same dog.
No, sir.
Different breed is there, na? So unit of thrust in SI system of unit, the unit of thrust is Newton, denoted by capital L, N, and in CGS, unit of thrust is dyne. Don't write plural. Whenever unit is there, don't write plural. Some teacher, they will cancel the mark. What is 1 Newton? How many dyne? 10 raised to 5 dyne. 1 Newton is how many dyne?
10 raised to 5.
Yes, copy this one. At the end, I will give you the planner for week. Sunday, I will keep test. Whatever I have completed today. It will be just half an hour test. Any particular timing you want? This timing, sir, if you send the paper, we all will be free and complete immediately and send on the same day.
Sir, 4 o'clock.
Sir,
4 o'clock.
sir,
Okay.
send it in the morning, so whenever we are free, we can solve
नहीं
it.
बेटा, then paper will be leaked. Huh? If you give a particular time, थोड़ा 10-15 मिनट आगे पीछे चलेगा. But if I send in the morning, then chances are that few students will study that answer and get full mark. No. So how much ice cream I will give? I don't have factory.
सर ये वाले टेस्ट में थोड़ी आइसक्रीम होता है.
चलो इसमें भी दे दूंगा अगर फुल आया तो. देखते हैं अभी कौन
हाँ
आइसक्रीम.
सर, आपको इतना भरोसा है, इसमें फुल आ ही नहीं सकता.
नहीं, मुझे आप लोग पे भी कॉन्फिडेंस है ना कि आप लोग को ला के रखे. एक दो क्वेश्चन ट्विस्ट करूंगा, वही तो आपका टेक्निक है. देखते हैं कितना समय. So 4 o'clock will be ideal if I send the paper at 4 o'clock.
हाँ,
Sir,
sir.
on Sunday,
Huh?
on Sunday,
Yes, Sunday half an hour only. On
Sir,
Sunday.
keep
Sir,
it in the
better.
morning
sir.
only, no?
See, why I'm not telling morning? You can revise the morning. If you want to revise something.
सर सैटरडे रात को कर लेंगे रिवाइज, फिर अगर लाइक संडे को बाहर
नहीं,
जाना
नहीं,
रहेगा
sir,
तो
you
फिर
can
उसमें
keep
प्रॉब्लम होगा.
sir, you can keep at 1 o'clock to 2:15.
1 minute. Hello? Yeah? हाँ. हाँ से मैडम. हाँ हाँ हाँ. नहीं मुझे मतलब है, नहीं मुझे. Hello. Yes. You would prefer to write morning 9 o'clock?
No, sir, at around
Sir, at
noon.
11.
Sir, 1 o'clock to 1:30 to 2:15.
Sir, 11 to 11:30.
11 to 11:30. Arav, you are saying 11 to 11:30?
Yeah, sir.
Chalo, done.
Sir, mostly not.
हाँ सर.
Done. 11 to
Can you
11:30.
send 4 o'clock? I'm
Yeah,
not
4
sure
o'clock.
that.
Yeah, sir, 4 o'clock is also fine.
4 o'clock, everyone is free.
4 o'clock आरव चलेगा क्या? खाली आपको 11 o'clock
Sir, चलेगा.
चलेगा 4 o'clock. चलो लॉक कर दिया 4 o'clock. चलो write this unit of thrust. In SI system of unit of thrust is Newton. In CGS unit of thrust is.
What are we doing at 4 o'clock again? My headphones stopped.
I will send the paper at 4 o'clock every Sunday. Half an hour paper. Same time please submit so that I can correct and send it properly.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Yes. Shall I clear it off this again?
Yes.
Can I clear it?
Yes, sir. Yes.
अभी ना एक थोड़ा सा अलग अलग यूनिट भी है, ग्रेविटेशनल यूनिट भी बोलते हैं फोर्स में. So this is थोड़ा सा कीड़ा वाला. So gravitational unit means it is in terms of kg, and because it is force we say kgf. So the gravitational, this is MKS wala. The gravitational unit of thrust in MKS system is kgf. We did even in third chapter. Gravitational unit of weight is kgf. Thrust is force is kgf. And in CGS system means gravitational, but in CGS is gf. 1 kgf is mass into acceleration related. What is weight? Is it mg?
Yeah, sir.
So 1 kgf is equivalent to 1 g, that is 9.8 Newton. That means kgf you are converting into force. M, this is like M will become mg in force. So 9.8 Newton and 1 gf. What is g in CGS? 980. No? G means acceleration due to gravity. 980.
Yeah.
So here g is 9.8 meter per second square. So m1 g 9.8. So became mg in Newton. This is g in 1 And G in CGS 980 dynes. Please don't forget this.
1 gram. Yeah.
Of 1 GF is 989 and 1 kgf is 9.8. So nothing you have done. This mass you have converted into weight. That's it.
Yeah.
Sir, but before this, we wrote that the unit of thrust in CGS is dyne, no?
No, CGS system. This is gravitational units. Huh? In gravity.
Okay. So this is gravitational.
This is
And
related
that
to
was
gravity.
okay.
That was related to general force. Can I clear again?
Yes.
Okay.
So one
Oh, sorry. Right.
done.
Yeah, okay. So I think thrust is cleared in everybody's mind. It is perpendicular force. Unit is same as force, Newton, dyne, kgf or gf. Now pressure. You all have chair at home,
Yes, sir.
bed also at home.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Which is having more life?
Bed.
Bad.
Yes.
सरफेस
Bed.
एरिया ज्यादा है उसका.
Because here we sleep. है ना? If you jump on bed, even this life will be reduced. So here we actually sleep. So more area we give not to this surface of bed.
Sir, which has more?
Area, more surface area, bed.
Acha.
Here I don't sleep on chair, I sit. So surface area is less, na?
Less. So the pressure on
That
bed
means
is less.
that means what? Same weight of mine, bed weight is spread on larger area and chair weight is spread on smaller area. So we say, array come pressure is subjected, and on chair more pressure. Therefore, due to more pressure, it cracks or bends or breaks in between. So force upon area becomes one new quantity that is called pressure. In your lower classes, you might have seen there is one brake kept vertical, same brake when kept horizontal. Where is more pressure? Teacher might have explained. Where is more pressure?
Where the
Horizontal.
surface area
Vertical
is
wala
low.
is
Horizontal.
having no
हाँ.
vertical.
Acha, vertical wala more pressure.
Area is
हाँ.
less, na, denominator less. Here less pressure. So ye na, it will sink more on the soft surface. This will sink less. Sinking more matlab ज़्यादा pressure है इसमें.
हाँ.
Have you traveled
इसके
by
लिए
train?
heel से पैर रखते हैं तो लगता है.
Correct, correct. Yes, you are perfectly right. Perfectly सही जा रहे हैं. Have you traveled by train before COVID?
Yeah, sir.
एकदम peak hours में have you traveled peak hours?
हाँ
हाँ,
sir.
sir, धक्का
वहाँ पे
मुक्की.
तो
So when you are coming from CST and want to stop at Mulund, come down at Mulund, you need not come down. People will push you down. So what they apply?
Yeah.
Force, no? किधर अप्लाई करते हैं फोर्स? अपना पूरा बॉडी को मसाज करते हैं और बॉडी का थोड़ा पार्ट पे पुश कर देते हैं ना, बहुत प्रेशर आता है, वी कम डाउन. तो कोई चिल्लाता है, अरे रुको ना, प्रेशर मत करो, नीचे गिर जाऊंगा. So pressure is nothing but what? Force acting on area. Smaller area, same force will give me large pressure.
And ulte ka agar we try to push all people, then their area is so much that no force is applied almost.
That's why we single-handedly can't do anything. उनको फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता है. But वो लोग सब मिलके हम लोग को फोर्स देंगे तो बहुत फर्क पड़ता है ना. So can I say pressure is nothing but force acting per unit area?
Yeah.
Which force you will take? Only the normal force. So actually pressure is thrust per unit area. If you don't write thrust word, then you have to write acting normally. Otherwise, teacher may cancel the mark. Thrust means force acting normally. Hello? Thrust means what? Force
Yeah.
acting normally.
Yeah.
So if I write only thrust, no need to write normal.
Yeah.
So if you write, see again, I'm telling, if you write force, then if you don't write acting normally, teacher will cut the mark. If you write thrust, then no need to write normal because thrust has got hidden word normal. So pressure definition, guaranteedly it will be asked in the exam because
Like velocity, we don't need to specify it is in a straight path, but speed we need to specify.
okay, ठीक है, बराबर. So pressure is the thrust, मतलब force acting normally. Thrust means force acting normally per unit area of surface. Pakka it will come in the exam because if we lose some word, teacher will cancel the mark. Somewhere it is written, देखो, on the highways, सावधानी हटी, दुर्घटना घटी. The word you forget, teacher will cancel the mark. Let F be thrust acting on area A. Then pressure is denoted by P will be force, that means thrust upon area. Please copy definition. Be careful in the words. Pressure is thrust per unit area of surface. Pressure is thrust per unit area of surface. Pressure is thrust per unit area of surface. Once you have written, please tell me so that I can. Okay. What is force, scalar or
It's
vector?
like 2 minutes.
Yeah, sorry. Abhik, many lecture you missed, I think, na? Earlier during exam, before exam.
Sir, before
No,
joining,
sir,
yes,
not.
sir, I missed. Sir, I had missed the first chapters.
Who is this saying?
So Vedant.
You have missed first chapter. You are saying, Vedant.
So first chapters had missed, right? So you don't remember?
So you have joined late, na? Don't worry.
Yes.
I said those who have joined regularly, but at the end, 1-2 lectures they have not done. Na?
Okay.
So those who have joined late, na, in Diwali vacation, I will teach you if you want. Means you don't write. I will explain you the brief idea. Just tell me during Diwali when you want. So complete till this full. Completed Abhik, Nimay, Jash, Kavya, Ivani, Khushbu, Rina.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Trisha.
Yes, sir.
Pressure is scalar or vector, Trisha?
Vector.
No. Pressure, force is vector, area is vector, vector, they cancel. So it is a scalar quantity. Pressure is which quantity?
Scalar.
Yes. Right. Next line. Pressure. Yes.
Nothing.
Pressure is, Samyak, any doubt? Ask, don't worry. Pressure is a scalar quantity.
Sir, 1 second.
Ah.
Force is a vector quantity and area is a scalar quantity.
No, beta, area is also vector.
Yeah.
Always, na, if
How
this
is
is
pressure?
surface, then area is perpendicular to the surface. This is considered to be its direction. So
Yeah,
any
yeah.
direction upon direction, when you divide, it cancels. Na?
Oh, yeah.
Pressure is independent of direction. So pressure is a scalar quantity.
Sir, so pressure is more like the effect of force.
Correct. Now, unit of pressure. It will be unit of force upon unit of area. No?
Yeah.
So SI unit of pressure, can I say it is
Meter.
Newton per meter square. That is capital N, M for meter, minus raised to 2. Per meter means minus 2. This unit was pressure related, was found by one scientist named Pascal. So it is also written as Pa. Pa means Pascal, short form of Pascal. So 1 Newton meter raised to minus 2 is nothing but 1 Pa. So Pascal is also sometimes taken as SI unit. 1 Newton meter raised to minus 2, which is SI unit, can also be told as 1 Pa. Pa means Pascal.
Sir, it will be kg meter minus 1 second minus 2, na?
See, Newton is mass, meter per second square, 1 upon meter square. So this will become kg second
Kg
square.
meter. Meter
kg
minus 1.
meter is to minus 1. Done. Can I clear it? Yes, done. Can I clear it?
No, sir.
Yeah,
Okay,
sir.
right down, right. What is 1 Pa?
1 Newton meter minus.
Pascal.
This is SI unit or CGS unit, Pa?
Sir, it is
SI unit.
SI unit.
So to respect that scientist Pascal, he gave SI unit as Pa. I'm clearing this. 1 minute, wait, huh?
Sir, sir, only 1 minute.
Okay, I'm bringing it back. Yeah.
Yes, sir, done.
Sir, is there a
Yes, sir,
separate
done.
CGS unit?
Yes, sir, done.
Done. Okay. So if they say sometimes define 1 Pascal, define 1. See, galti se don't write R. It is not 1 rascal. It is 1 Pascal.
yes, sir.
Otherwise, people, sir, how rascal will define Pascal? 1 Pascal. Is it pressure or force? This Pascal?
Pressure.
Sir, it is
Pressure. Pressure. So 1 Pascal is the pressure. Given by whom?
body.
How much Newton body?
1 Newton.
1
body.
Newton. So 1 Pascal is the pressure.
On 1 meter square area.
Correct. On a 1 Pascal is pressure on the surface of area 1 meter square by force of 1 Newton. Force written then say normally. Acting normally on it.
Sir, or else we can also say it is the force
thrust
applied
of
by
1 Newton.
X Newton body applied on X meter square area.
Very good. That also you can do.
Because anything upon anything will be 1.
Yes, yes, yes. but generally we always take that as 1 as a
हाँ,
because this was 1 na?
generic meaning.
Yes. A generic meaning, okay. 1 Newton acting normally on it. So 1 Pascal is the pressure on the surface of area 1 meter square by force of 1 Newton acting normally. This word is very important. When you write force, you have to write normal. When you write thrust, don't write normal.
Hmm.
Yes. Return.
Sir, 1 second.
Okay. Yes, Vedant, Devansh, Yashri.
Yes.
Sir, writing.
Once you are done, then tell so that I can start with CGS unit. We did thrust, its unit in CGS, SI, gravitational. Then pressure, it is a scalar quantity, its unit we are doing.
Yes.
Chalo, can I start? Write this one.
So just a second.
1 second.
Okay. What is CGS unit of force?
Dyne.
Dyne. And what is CGS unit of area? Centimeter. So CGS unit of pressure is dyne centimeter raised to -2. Hello?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, right. Next is relation between SI unit and CGS unit of pressure. Relation between SI unit and CGS unit of pressure. Once you complete, again tell me that you have completed so that
Done,
I
sir.
even with heading relation between SI unit and CGS unit.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
I'm clearing it off everything now. What is SI unit of pressure?
Sir, 1 second, can you take it
LM
back?
Pascal.
Pascal.
1 Pascal. Okay.
Newton meter square.
Yeah, Newton meter ratio. Somebody said something.
Yes, sir, I was telling you to take it back. I wanted to take a screenshot. I have written it.
No, you are not writing screenshot. You are taking. Write in your book and don't.
Sir, I am writing also and taking the screenshot also.
अच्छा, why so?
ऐसे ही से if by कोई अगर book चला गया किधर
नहीं,
तो
मैं ये lecture को record कर रहा हूँ. I will put it on the
okay.
YouTube.
Yes, sir.
चलो, shall I clear it now?
Yes, sir.
It is just okay. Baba said something. Newton meter square. SI unit is 1 Newton meter raised to -2. I want to convert into CGS. 1 Newton कौन तो बोला था मुझे कोई तो कुछ तो डाइन है. What is 1 Newton? How many dyne? Anybody knows?
10 raised to
10 raised to 5.
10 raised to 5 dyne. And this 1 meter, is it 100 centimeter?
100 centimeter.
But power is 2, na? This power is -2. That means 1 upon 2 here plus. Okay or not? Not followed.
Yeah, sir.
नहीं,
Yes, sir.
bouncer क्या लगता है?
नहीं सर समझा.
सबको समझा? आई शपथ.
हाँ सर समझा.
Okay.
yeah.
चलो ठीक है. So can I say this is nothing but 10 raised to 5 dyne? What is AB raised to 2? Any math student?
A square B square.
A square B square. So this is 10 raised to 2 ka square and centimeter ka square or not?
Hmm.
Sir.
Can I say it is 10 raised to 5 dyne upon 10 raised to 4 centimeter raised
Centimeter
to
square.
2? That means it is 10 dyne centimeter raised to minus 2. Not followed.
Followed, sir.
1
Understood.
Newton meter raised to minus 2 is what? 10 dyne centimeter raised to minus 2.
Hmm.
Let's copy.
And then,
Yes.
yeah.
Very simple chapter, in fact. Third chapter was slightly difficult. This is interesting, easy. Next is also similar to this. So we can say therefore 1 Newton meter raised to minus 2 is 10 dyne centimeter raised to minus 2, or 1 dyne centimeter raised to minus 2. 10 will come here. 1 upon 10 means 0.1. This also followed, which I wrote here. Okay, first you all complete this one, then I'm explaining. Okay, completed till end. Hello. Hello.
Hello, sir.
See, 1 Newton meter raised to minus 2. We got 10 dyne. Arey, who got disconnected here? Somebody got disconnected, I think. Dyne centimeter raised to minus 2. If I bring 10 here, will it become 1 upon 10? Hello.
Yes.
So 1 upon 10 means what? 0.1 or not?
Hmm.
So can I say 1 dyne centimeter raised to minus 2 is 0.1 Newton meter raised to minus 2. I hope you followed. Both connection followed. 1 Newton is 10 dyne and 1 dyne is 0.1.
Yes.
Sometimes they can confuse you writing all this.
Hmm.
So got disconnected. Nimai, I think. No, Nimai is there.
Sir, I think nobody got disconnected. भव्य ने या sir लिखा था chat पे.
No, total number including me were 17
7.
on the screen. Now it is 16. Somebody got pressure, I think. Completed till this? Can I clear?
Yes, sir.
No pressure na till this?
No, sir.
Okay. This were our standards unit. Newton meter raised to minus 2, dyne centimeter raised to minus 2. Two more are there. See, have you played cricket anytime? Cricket?
Yes.
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have you heard about googly
Yeah.
bowling?
हाँ sir.
मतलब लगेगा वो ऑफ स्पिन करेगा लेग स्पिन ना.
हाँ.
अभी दो गुगली वाला है. गुगली वाला मतलब है ग्रेविटेशन को मैं गुगली बोल देता हूँ. So in gravitational unit, the SI unit मतलब ग्रेविटेशनल का SI यूनिट ऑफ प्रेशर is kgf meter raised to -2, kgf meter raised to -2, and in CGS unit मतलब ग्रेविटेशनल का CGS unit of pressure is GF meter raised to centimeter raised to -2. Please write. GF centimeter raised to -2. Other units which are only used in for pressure. Any of you? Acha, first complete this one. Completed?
Yes.
Okay. What is current news which is very hot? Any current news, hot news?
Yes sir, कोई तो actor
Sir,
का
Aryan
लड़का।
Khan.
Oh,
हाँ।
beautiful.
Aryan
क्या
Khan का
सही
drug
पकड़ा।
case.
हाँ,
उसी
Drug
thank you
case,
sir.
yes. क्या जबरदस्त आप लोग का दिमाग है।
हाँ
And
सर,
इतना करंट पूरा नॉलेज है, बराबर, परफेक्ट।
शाहरुख खान का बेटा
शाहरुख
ड्रग
खान
नारकोटिक्स अरेस्ट।
हाँ
yes,
सर।
yes, yes. So places where these
He
things
has
are
accepted.
available, see, these people are very rich people now. Where to
हाँ.
spend the money? So they want to be extraordinary every time with lot of energy. So they take supplements.
या 4 साल से ले रहा था वो।
So for them, they are used to that type of culture, which is actually bad. That parent should explain, no?
सर पर अगर पेरेंट खुद लेता है तो क्या?
अरे तो क्या आपने सही बोला, जिसका बड़ा भाई हो शराबी, उसका छोटा भाई पिए तो क्या है खराबी, है ना?
हाँ
तो
सर, सर क्योंकि ऑलमोस्ट एवरी एक्टर लेते ही है ड्रग।
see, I am not actor, so I don't know. Not every actor, I think.
ऑलमोस्ट
See,
अमिताभ बच्चन नहीं लेता है
see,
वैसे सब
Amitabh
रहते हैं।
Bachchan is might not be taken. There are many who might not be taking. But yes, as you said, there are many because they want to flaunt their style. So we were talking about that current news. You said yes, right. So these things are available at certain places. Na? What those places are called? Sometimes it is written
सर
bar.
हम लोग लेने नहीं गए।
Okay, लेकिन हम लोग
नहीं
कभी
पता sir.
नहीं, sometimes we go to have a dinner and
Medic.
outside it is written bar.
हाँ, बार बार।
बार बार।
So bar and restaurant मतलब you can have a dine, you can have a wine also. So बहुत pressure वाले लोग रहते हो dine and wine करते हो. So pressure का एक और unit है bar. What is the unit?
Bar.
Bar. So other units of pressure are bar and millibar. Milli means 10 raised to -3. So bar and millibar are additional unit for pressure. 1 bar is nothing but 1 SI unit, Newton meter raised to -2. देखो इसका meter only Newton raised to -2 is called pa, and 10 raised to 5 pi is 1 bar. Bar is not chocolate, huh? It is not chocolate bar. It is unit of pressure. 1 bar actually atmospheric pressure इतना रहता है. So 10 raised to 5 Newton meter raised to -2 is what? 1 bar. So can you tell me what will be 1 millibar with your wisdom? Can I say 10 raised to -3 bar? That means can I say 10 raised to -3 into 10 raised to 5 Newton meter raised to -2? So 10 raised to 2 Newton meter raised to -2. Any doubt? Hello, any doubt?
Oh, sir.
So other units are what? Bar, millibar. 1 bar means 10 raised to 5 Newton meter raised to -2. That itself is called atmospheric pressure. So atmospheric pressure is called bar. Now we'll say, sir, why it is called bar? See, something which is standing vertical. Have you seen this type of column? You know, इसको कोई कोई बार बोलता है ना, ऐसा कॉलम बार।
हाँ।
अब ये एयर ऐसा कॉलम जैसा बन जाता है ना, और वो प्रेशर देता है ना सरफेस पे, अर्थ का सरफेस पे, तो इसे बार जैसा दिखता है, मतलब कॉलम, इससे प्रेशर का यूनिट बन गया बार। बिकॉज ऑफ दैट दे स्टार्ट सेइंग, सो 1 bar इज लाइक 1 कॉलम। किसका कॉलम? एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर का कॉलम का वजह से जो आता है। यस, गॉट इट? bar is nothing but 1 atmospheric pressure which is 10 raised to 5. Millibar is 10 raised to minus 3 of bar. 10 raised to minus 3, bar is 10 raised to 5, minus 3 plus 5 is 10 raised to 2. है कोई माइका लाल जिसको नहीं समझा? काव्या, मेदांश?
Nice, sir. I understand.
Okay.
Understood, sir.
Okay. Shall I clear? Once you do, then I will clear it.
Yes, sir. Done.
So first unit we studied Newton meter raised to minus 2, dyne centimeter raised to minus 2, kgf meter raised to minus 2, gf centimeter raised to minus 2, 1 bar, 1 millibar. Now, 2 more units are there, which is used to measure only atmosphere wala pressure, matlab gas wala pressure. So the
Sir,
atmospheric
column na? Column.
column is bar. So the
अच्छा.
atmospheric pressure, height बढ़ेगा तो pressure बढ़ता है ना, fluid का height बढ़ेगा तो ये we are going to study further. So atmospheric pressure is also expressed, not all, only atmospheric pressure is also expressed. Pressure लिख दिया गलती से, is also expressed.
Barometric height.
It also expressed, 1 minute, wait, in unit atmosphere. Symbolically it is called ATM. It is not anytime money. Anytime money मतलब pressure आ जाएगा, तो unit atmosphere ATM.
Yeah.
So 1 atmosphere or 1 ATM is 0.76 meter height of mercury. This is same as 1.013 into 10 raised to 5 pa. Pa means Newton meter raised to minus 2. There was one scientist. Pardon? 76.
Yeah.
76 height of meter of mercury column is called 1 atmospheric pressure. Hello?
Yes,
there was one scientist named Torricelli who studied regarding pressure. So to respect him, we say 1 torr.
1 torr
is 1 millimeter of mercury. So 1 atmosphere is how many millimeter of mercury? 0.76 meter is how many millimeter? Multiply by 1000.
760.
760. So 1 atmosphere is 760 torr, because it is 760 millimeter of mercury, and 1 millimeter means 1 torr. What is 1 millimeter of mercury? 1 millimeter of mercury, 1 torr. 1 millimeter of mercury, 1 torr. 1 millimeter of mercury, 1 torr. 1 atmosphere, how many torr? 760 torr.
Sir, and the usual atmospheric pressure is 76 only, na?
76, yes. 76 centimeter or 0.6 meter.
At sea level, I guess.
At sea level, yes. Which country is
76.
below sea level?
Which country?
Is below sea level. Netherlands. It is below sea level.
अच्छा.
ये जनरल नॉलेज है, सर्च मारना गूगल पे.
वाह.
या तो श्री को पूछ लेना. श्री ना क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
सर तो इट विल बी लैंडलॉक्ड, वरना तो पानी आ जाएगा उसके ऊपर.
Yes, it is landlocked.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes.
Sir, in the first chapter, we have studied that in units, when we are writing it, if it's named after a scientist, the first letter is capital. But sir, here, torr, everything is small.
No, that is when you use single letter, then it is capital, na?
Oh, okay.
फैंटास्टिक है, इतना याद मस्त कर रहे हो आप लोग, ब्यूटीफुल। लगता है नेक्स्ट ईयर तक आइसक्रीम फैक्ट्री खोल देता हूँ। 1 torr 1 millimeter, 1 atmosphere 760 torr। अच्छा नहीं, राइट है ये?
नहीं सर,
अच्छा मुझे
मैं
लगा,
दूसरे कोई के लिए अच्छा बोला मैंने।
अच्छा मुझे लगा बोलते अच्छा ये 1 torr में तो ऐसा आपने समझा।
हाँ सर, डन।
Okay. Others have also done. Shall I clear it off?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. See, planner I will write and put on the group, huh?
Okay,
For the
sir.
week, yes. So that your time will be full time I can utilize for lecture.
Yes, sir.
Shall I clear now?
Sir, just a second. Then I'll take screenshots.
No, write. Comfortably write. Don't take it. Right. When you write, you remember, na?
Sir, so 0.76 meter of
Meter. Mercury. Hg means mercury ka symbolic.
mercury is equal to 1.013 into 10 raised to 5 Pascal.
Total that much. See, further we'll study pressure will be formula HdG. H means height, D means density, and G is gravity. So that much meter when you multiply with density and G, you get that much Pascal.
Okay, sir. Done.
Okay. Done. State factors affecting the pressure. State the factors affecting pressure. Pressure depends upon which two physical quantity?
Surface area and magnitude.
Surface area.
Surface area and force.
That means thrust, na?
Oh, yeah. So,
So can I say the pressure depends upon two factors? Depends upon two factors. Which are two factors? Hello, which are two factors? Can I
The
say
magnitude
force
of
and
thrust and
magnitude
the
of
area
thrust.
of thrust.
Yeah.
It means normal force. So magnitude of thrust and the surface area on which it is applied. है ना?
Correct.
And the surface area on which thrust is applied. I want to increase the pressure. How can I increase? I want to increase the pressure. How can I increase? Tell me.
Yeah, sir. By decreasing the surface area
Very
or
good.
by increasing the magnitude of
Of
thrust.
thrust. Take care. Either decreasing area or increasing thrust. Have you seen nail?
Yeah, sir.
How to nail the nail? It has got
By
thin,
hammering
sharp
the
edges. It has got thin
larger
edges.
surface area.
So that means its area is very small. No, these areas are sharp, very small. So when you apply force also large and area also small, both pressure बैठेगा ना इस पे, it will get nailed inside. Just write the two. Then many reasons we have to see. Write this. That means either you can increase the thrust or you can decrease the area to increase the pressure.
Sir.
Okay, return.
Sir.
So larger the area, then smaller the pressure or not?
Yeah.
And larger the thrust, then larger the pressure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, can you go back 1 second?
I can. Then I said smaller the area, larger the pressure, or larger the force, thrust, larger the pressure. Shall I clear now?
Yes.
So two ways. So first ways of increasing pressure by decreasing.
Last है आज के लिए.
हाँ, last day, चलो, last. 6 o'clock somebody is having class, no? So I want way of increasing pressure. So can I say for same thrust, pressure can be increased by decreasing the surface area. बस आज के लिए इतने. By decreasing the surface area. And we have few reasons where it is used that I will explain then in next class. Please copy this much. एक कर दो कैसा? एक example. The ends of nails are made pointed. They can ask you, give reason. Are made pointed so that pressure exerted is such that they can be driven by less effort, means by less force. So today I will stop here. After within 10 minutes I will send the planner. So that you have to stick to it. Sunday test as you suggested, 4 o'clock, only half an hour. And that too only 15 or 20 marks, not more than that. Small test. Till this.
Give us the papers or we have to join the meeting.
Okay.
Pardon? What you said, Arav?
Yeah, you will give the papers or we have to join the meeting.
No. You have to send the paper. Can I clear it now? This much?
Could you repeat?
Can I said you have to write the test and post me.
Okay.
No need to join the meeting. Shall I clear it?
No sir, wait.
Yes.
Sir, one second.
Okay.
Sir, and grooves in nails उससे कुछ फर्क पड़ता है तो why
See,
is that?
groups say you can tighten it by screwdriver. Here it is hammering, na? So sometimes if you have to remove something, then we prefer that screw which is grooved one. But we want permanently fixing, then nailing.
Okay.
Sir,
Sir.
done.
Yes. Shall I clear now?
Sir, but grooves से pressure और no sir.
नहीं, एक minute.
Such
Again, no.
that sir last का pressure
Okay, 8 seconds. Sorry.
is exerted in such.
Oh, yeah. Right. Such that they can be driven by less effort. Yes, shall I clear now?
So is it okay if we send the paper till Sunday night?
Then the night only I will send the paper. Time I will change. See, some day it is okay, but every day no. I want some fixed time.
Actually, we have classes from 3 to 5 on Sunday. I submit another.
Say time I asked or I told. You tell me.
Sunday we don't have.
I
Sunday we have Hindi class.
say, did I force you that